What if I told you that this entire animation, with this character, who looks the same in every single shot, was made for free? No, seriously.
Look at you, walking. Let's bring this town back to life. Please stay with me, Juno. Just a little further. I wonder, could we ever fly a real plane?
No expensive software, no animation degree, no massive team of artists, just you, your computer, and 4 incredible AI tools that cost you absolutely nothing to use. The biggest problem with AI animation has always been consistency, getting your character to look the same from one scene to the next. But today, I'm going to show you the exact blueprint to solve that problem. By the end of this video, you will have a step-by-step guide to take your wildest ideas and turn them into stunning, consistent animations. Ready to become an AI animator? Let's get started. All right, public service announcement over. Let's build a story. Step 1. The story foundation in ChatGPT. The secret to character consistency starts right here with a technique I call the Master Character Dossier. This is one single, hyper-detailed paragraph that describes everything about your character: their hair color, their exact outfit, their facial structure, or accessories. Be specific. Once you have this, you never describe the character again. Let's head over to ChatGPT, type your idea like, "Write me a Disney-style animation story about a kid and his robot." Click Generate, and watch the AI craft a narrative. Boom, here's our script. Now we need to generate a character prompt for consistent characters, like write the character's prompt with details. As you can see, the AI provides in-depth character sheets, ensuring visual and narrative consistency throughout our story. Perfect. Now, to give our story even more depth, I asked ChatGPT to expand each scene and pair every scene with a custom image prompt. Here's how. Typing into ChatGPT, expand the story, and for each scene, provide a detailed image prompt suitable for an AI image generator. Boom, ChatGPT delivers a richer narrative plus ready-to-use prompts for every shot, making it effortless to storyboard or generate visuals. ChatGPT enriches the narrative and delivers powerful, descriptive prompts for every single scene. This seamless integration of script writing and visual direction is a game changer for creators, and that's how you go from a simple idea to a fully fleshed out script and visual plan, all in minutes with ChatGPT. Give it a try and bring your next animation to life. Step 2. Create consistent characters in Whisk. All right, let's head over to Whisk. This is a powerful AI tool from Google, and it's perfect for creating amazing illustrations where our characters stay perfectly consistent from scene to scene. When you open Whisk, you'll notice its interface is built around 3 core components on the left: subject, scene, and style. This structure is the key to creating cohesive images. Define your core elements. Establish your characters in subject. First, grab the prompt from ChatGPT that contains your character descriptions. Copy the details for your main character, Eli. In Whisk, paste this description into the subject section. This creates a profile for Eli that Whisk will use as a reference. To add your second character, Juno, click the plus icon plus to add another subject slot. Go back to ChatGPT, copy Juno's description, and paste it into this new slot. Your characters are now locked in. Create scene. Now, let's define the environment. From ChatGPT, copy the description for the location. Paste this information into the scene section. If your story moves to different locations, you can add more scenes here, creating a library of settings to choose from for each image. Set the aesthetic in style. This is where you determine the visual feel. In the Style section, type in your desired look. For your project, you would enter Disney 3D anime style. Generate your first scene. With your building blocks prepared, it's time to create your first image. Go to the ChatGPT image prompt. Copy the very first prompt for scene 1. Paste this into the main prompt box at the bottom of the Whisk interface. This is the most important step. Before you click Generate, look at your prompt and identify which elements are present. Since the prompt mentions both Eli and Juno, make sure you have selected both of their profiles in the subject section. Now you're ready. Hit Generate. Within moments, Whisk will render a high-quality image that combines your characters, scene, and style. To continue your visual story, the process is simple repetition. Copy the second prompt from your list. Paste it into the main prompt box in Whisk. Check that the correct subjects and scene are selected for that specific prompt. Click Generate. The resulting image should be perfectly consistent with the first, featuring the same Eli and Juno in your defined style. Repeat this process for all your prompts to generate every image for your project. You can change the scene description, the background, the action, anything you want, and Whisk will keep your character and the overall style perfectly consistent. It's an absolute game changer. Step 3. Animate scenes with Whisk. Once you have all your still images, it's time to animate. Just select an image, click the Animate button, and give it a simple motion prompt like, "The camera slowly pushes in." Click Generate. The quality is insane. Try another one like, "They are talking to each other." Whisk will generate a beautiful, high-quality 8-second video clip. Just be aware, the free version will have a small, visible watermark on the video, but that's a small price to pay for this kind of power. Repeat this for all your scenes and download your clips. Step 4. Add voiceover and background sound. To give characters a voice, we will use Animate, a free voice generator specializing in child and kid-friendly voices. Follow these steps to generate a child's voice for your animation project. Navigate to Animate and select Get Started. Choose Text-to-Speech Audio and specify your language. Scroll to the bottom of the voice list to locate child voice options. For this demonstration, we recommend selecting Mickey. Open your ChatGPT scene script and copy the character dialogue. Paste it into Animate's text field and select Create Audio. Your voiceover file will generate momentarily. Regarding background sound, we'll cover how to add and mix background music in the editing section later in this video. Step 5. Final assembly in CapCut. Alright, this is the final step. Putting it all together in CapCut. Now, just arrange your clips in order. Use some of CapCut's free transitions to smooth out the cuts between scenes. Then, dive into their massive free library of background music and sound effects to really make your world feel alive. To add a sound effect in CapCut, navigate to the Audio tab, located in the top left corner of the interface. Select the sound effects category. Use the search bar to find a specific sound, such as robot sound. Browse the extensive library of effects available within CapCut and select one to add to your video timeline. And there you have it. A stunning professional-looking animation with a perfectly consistent character made from start to finish with free AI tools. The power to tell your own stories is literally at your fingertips. If this guide was helpful, I'd appreciate it if you could hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials on the future of AI content creation. Now go make something amazing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.